With your client. Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Barry, did you review the application for deferred adjudication? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of
This whole
indictment with
case
your
starts with a convenience store argument turning into a felony assault. It's a perfect example of how fast small conflicts explode into major charges. Always watch how these early details shape the entire case.
of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Barry, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find
View to this is courtroom. Formality 101. The judge is confirming he understood every document before moving forward. It may sound boring, but missing one of these steps can destroy a conviction on appeal. Judges don't play with
attachments. The
procedure.
court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Anything other than Class C misdemeanors in the blood?
All right. So why did you do this?
It was like an argument that went wrong.
I'm sorry,
Here
what?
comes the key moment. The court finds enough evidence to label him guilty. But because he applied for deferred adjudication, that guilt gets paused. If he behaves, it won't become a conviction. If he doesn't, this comes back to bite him hard.
I'm sorry, what?
It was an argument. So I got into it.
An argument about what?
A money situation with my baby mom.
All right, the mother of your child, you got into an argument. And what was the argument
The
about?
judge is clearly not buying his story. When your explanation doesn't match the police report, judges immediately spot the contradiction, and the more confused you sound. The faster the judge starts doubting everything else.
And what was the argument about?
About him owes her money for food stamps.
All right, that's not what it says here, although it says, I know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's not what it says here, that's what that's about. So why did you interfere in that?
Me being hard-headed.
Hmm?
Me being hard-headed and angry, not one listen.
Mhm. And why does she have food stamps?
Man,
You said over food stamps?
yeah, it was over her. People make her give her payment.
I'm sorry, what?
You supposed to give her some money for a food stamp card. And
Okay.
he did.
And what does the tattoo over your eye say? The tattoo?
It
No love? No love for what?
was just a thing, like broken heart.
So how long, when did you get that?
Huh?
When did you get that tattoo?
I've been had it.
I'm sorry, what?
So when I got it,
Yeah.
so
December of what? 2024? Why? How old are you?
now
So what is your family in your life? Your mom?
kids is from my mom, my kids.
All right. So what did your mom say when you got the tattoo, no love?
She first thing.
You're going to have to start making better choices. How far did you go in school?
This is where the stakes explode. A second-degree felony means up to 20 years. Judges often use this moment to shake defendants awake. You're a parent. Your choices determine your kid's future. It's tough love, but it hits hard.
School.
All right. So, and what do you do for a living?
The construction work.
And so do you have children with Taisha?
Yes, ma'am. I have a little girl,
All right. And what is her age?
2 years old,
And what are the ages of your other children?
14, 12, and 5.
All right. So this is a second degree felony. You could end up going to prison for 20 years and then your children will be raised by someone else. You understand? So you're going to have to start making better choices and doing things differently with your life. You understand?
Fine.
And nobody should be selling their food stamps for money or their card for money anyway. It's illegal. All right. No one wanted to address, or at least it's not outside the agreement. How much time are you asking for community supervision?
Asking for less than they're asking.
Oh, they're not asking for anything. It's not in here. So what are you asking for? All right, state, they're asking for 4 years deferred adjudication. What are you asking for?
6, Judge.
Oh. So what is his criminal history?
That is fine.
It is.
That's
Yes, you may.
For assault, which was placed on probation for 1 year in 2016. 2024 resisting arrest, in which he was convicted. And this aggravated assault of a weapon.
All right, thank you. This is what the court will do. $2,000 fine probated, 5 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, affirmative finding of deadly weapon.
This sentencing package is no joke fines, probation, restrictions, anger management, parenting classes, even random UAs. The court basically built a full lifestyle blueprint he must follow. Miss even one requirement, and deferred adjudication can vanish instantly.
200 hours of community service restitution. 100 of those hours will be deducted once parenting classes are completed. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No contact with Martin Wharton. And I'm sorry, and there'll be another 100 hours once he completes anger management. Field visits 1 time per month for 8 months. TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow TAP recommendations. Probation, is there anything else?
There's, I believe you said you were from Baytown.
It's not really good.
He lives in Baytown.
All right, what county is that?
It's, is it Harris?
Harris, Chambers, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, what, why do people whisper when they're here?
Chambers, when it says Chambers,
What?
Chambers County.
Chambers County?
Or what?
Harrison Chambers.
It's like,
All right, he doesn't know. So it says Bayside, I'm just Googling, it says Bayside is a town in southern
It's Baytown.
Refugio.
Oh, Baytown,
Oh, it's Baytown, okay.
east of Houston.
Harris County Judge.
So that's
Yes.
Baytown, depending on where you live, on the Harris County.
All right, thank you, Rick.
Cool.
Thank you, Jeopardy. So we can do a transfer to Baytown. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
That's right.
We can go off the record. Here's the thing, whether you do your probation here in Bear County or Baytown or wherever it may be, you had better make sure you report. And part of your conditions of probation, which people never pay attention to, you are required to support your dependents. So that means when you have children, you need to pay your child support. You understand? Otherwise, if you don't, that's a violation of probation. You can't afford children, then you shouldn't be having children. And before you decide to have children, you need to map out who's going to be the babysitter, and it shouldn't be grandmother unless grandmother is asked beforehand. And how much is their school going to cost? What we're going to do for daycare, if we need to do daycare, and what we're going to do for preschool. All of that should be mapped out before you just go around being fruitful and multiplying. You understand?
No.
All right, good luck to you. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. May I have the excuse?
Yes.